Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will give you the complete guide on best and easiest video editor for beginners using Windows computer. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video descriptions, and you can click here and log into this website. Once you log into this website, you will see its web page, and here you can see a download free trial, as the software I'm going to show you is not completely free of cost, so you need to purchase this later on, but you can try it before you want to purchase it. So download it and try it, and if you like it, then you can click on the buy and you can purchase it later on. So I've already downloaded and installed it in my Windows computer, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download it and install it. So once you install it, just open the software. So on opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So the user interface is quite simple, so let me give you a quick overview of this video editor. So you can see in the left panel a media. This media page is where you can drag and drop your video files, your audio files, your picture files, anything, or you can just click on this import media and you can just import your photo, video and audio files under these sections. So we'll move to the next options. Here you will see a library where you will find a lots of things like introductions. Here in the introduction sections you will get a ready-made introductions. When you double tap it, and you can see our preview, and those are ready-made templates for introductions. You can try the different introduction styles and you can use it too in your video editings. So there are lots of like motion background music tracks. You can use some free installed music tracks that is available under these applications too, and these are all everything under the library sections. And now we'll move to the next options, that is given as annotations. In the annotations, it's really very useful when you want to add some text or introductions, or you want to write something on your video, then you can use this annotation options. And here you can see in the upper section there's an arrow to point and show case something that is present in your video. And then third, there is something like call outs, and here you can see a basic and you can use different layouts. And the fourth option is a blur. If something sensitive file is being there, then you can just blur or hide those images or videos in your video editing. And the fifth option, you can see your marker. You can mark, or you can just underline anything, or you can just box, that is underline with using the box of different shapes, or you can just mark it using this markers. And the last option is the keyboard strokes. So you can show some keyboard strokes. If you're showing some computer tutorials, then you can use these options too to show directly on screen those keyboards keys that you are using on your video tutorial. So this much about in the annotation section. So let's move to the below transition. To end this here, you will see all fades, movements, objects, stylish whips. In these sections you will find the video transitions, so how the video will transition. As you can see here, just put your cursor to preview. So this kind of effects you will get in your video when you just add this kind of transitions. So this is all about transitions. And the next we'll move to the behavior. This behavior is mainly for the introductions. If you want some animations for your writings, then you can use this kind of transitions. So we'll move to the next options, that is animations. This animation is really zoom and pan, so that you can maximize some portions of your video which you want to show it clearly. And the next option here, you can see animations. You can get this kind of animations if you want. So this is all about animations and zoom and pan. So we'll move below is the cursor effects. So I think you have seen most of the tutorial videos regarding the computers. They used to use this kind of cursor effects. So you can use this. Even you can use the left click mouse cursor effects, even the right click mouse cursor effects here. So we'll move to the next step is the voice narrations. Here what you can do is you can see here start voice recording. Even you can add some voice recording directly after completion of your video. Also you can just start voice recording and you can just play your video side by side, and you can later add this video recordings, that is voice recordings too, in your video. So the next step we will move is the audio effects. Here what you can do is you can do a noise removal, audio compressions, fade in, that is from low volume to high volume and the high volume to low volume, and you can increase or decrease the audio clip speeds, that is you can increase the audio speeds and you can decrease the audio speeds. And the next options you are seeing here is the visual effects. So in the visual effects, what do you get? Drop, shadow, border. If you want a border on your video, colorize, you can do a colorizations, color adjustments, device frames. You can give a device frames too. You can use the remove a color, and even you can see interactive hotspots, and you can do the same like the audio effects to decrease the clip speeds of the visual effects. And the last not the least, so here interactive, you can add any quiz sections inside your video. And the last option is the captions, to add some caption titles for your videos. So this much about in the options. So let us make some simple video using this video editor. So let me show you a simple example. So I'll be adding some video files of my own. So I'll just drag it here. So I have added audio file, as you can see, some logo of my own tutorials, and here is a video file, and this is the video which I'm going to edit. So what do you need to do? So I have already created an introduction, so I will just drag and drop. So the introduction will be put in the first, so you can see. So you can drag this arrow to just check everything. So the next thing what I will do is I want to add a title here after this introduction. So you can see here annotations, click this one. So I will choose this one, just drag in here. So I'll just write a tutorial. So this is just a simple introduction. So you want to animate something, so what you need to do is you can see here transition behavior. So you can get different transitions, which one you want. I want this fade one, so I'll be adding this one. So what you need to do is just bring and drag here. So we'll try to check out. We'll try to check out. So you can see this kind of fading is gone by adding such kind of behavior effects. So after introductions, what do you need to do? We'll add our main video, which are going to show. So this is the video for. So we'll try to add some video. So let me add a video here. So I'll add a video here. So I'll add a video here. So you can see here. I'll add a video. So once it played, you can see a video. So here you can see one more thing before proceeding further. You can see here the waves like you can see in the. So these are my voice recording. So if you don't need this voice recording, then you can do one thing, just right click here and you can separate the audio and video too. So if you don't need the audio part of this video, then you can just right click it, select it and delete it. So in this way you can and you can add your respective audio voices here directly by dragging it, and you can just play it on just like this. So let me show you. So in this way you can add your own video sounds in this way. So let's add a logo for our video. So I have already made some logos, so let me show you. So you can add, you can just resize it. Just I will put here, and I want to add some more, like as I'm making for YouTube tutorials, and I'll add a subscribe to. So I'll just try to add. Now we want to add some animations like this tutorial for these logos. So what we will do, we'll move back to the behavior. We'll just choose different behaviors, just drag and drop wherever you want. I'm putting for my upper logo this behavior, and for the second, that is subscribe, I'm adding. So we'll try to check by playing the video. So you can see the animations effects. So in this way you can do such a simple video editing using this Camtasia. So in my point of view, you should definitely try this out. And once you have complete your editions, what you need to do is you can see here above share written. So just click on it. Just click on local file. So you will get a custom production settings. Just click on it. So you will get various options. So in my recommendations, says you choose MP4 only up to 1080. This will be the best for you. Just select this. Just click next. You can give the production name. I will keep it as it is for right now. And once you are done, just click finish and it will start processing. So wait for some minutes until the processing gets complete. So once you are completed, you will be getting this kind of message. So your video editing has been saved now. You can click on the open production folder and directly access. So your video is ready now. So click on finish, close this one. So click yes, want to save. And now we'll try to play the video which we have edited just now. You can play this video and just you can check whether it's working or not. So it's working now. So in this way you can create a simple video using this Camtasia application. So in my opinion, you should definitely check this out, and if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.